All right, we are at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway in Speedway, or West Indianapolis, I guess. There's several elevators here. This is elevator B2, but this is just upsetting. It's just a Gen 2. Wow. Yeah, the Speedway's right there. Cab view, very briefly. Cab's okay, it's honestly not that special. Newer Series 2 fixtures. Got the certificate right there. 5,000 pound capacity. Here at 1. Going up?
Yep.
What floor y'all headed to?
5.
What floor you going to?
5.
All right, perfect. Oh, someone else coming in. Coming up?
Yep.
What floor you head to?
What floor you want? Highest one, I guess. Yeah.
All right, 5 it is then. Oh, it took too long. It's going in nudge mode.
Younger days, we'd walk those steps.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hope you all have a nice time.
Thank you.
That sun is blinding. Yeah, you kind of on it. I don't think you guys were expecting this. An elevator at the Speedway, aka the racing capital of the world. But I'm sad that they just went in Gen 2s. This is honestly a bit of a upset. But anyways, here we are at 1. Oh, here it is. You can hear the race cars going. Probably gonna hear them while we're in here. This is elevator A1 at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway in Indianapolis. It's of course just another Gen 2, though this one only serves floor 4. Kind of interesting. Ramp up, seating and concessions and stuff.
Yeah, it was good to get back on the win today. Good weather for everybody staying here on the grandstands, which is amazing to see already.
Cab view very briefly. This thing's pretty basic, though I do like they put in the carpet. Just newer Series 2 fixtures. There's the certificate and permit number. They're win a race car. 5,000 pound capacity. They're doing the qualifications right now. So far, it's been pretty fun. You can hear them because they're going at like 230 miles an hour.
We know losing load.
Going down?
Saturday.
Going down?
Losing speed.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's the same for everybody. So we play.
Sure.
You just riding the elevator?
Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just like elevators, that's all. I mean, this is my first time at the Speedway, so
Is it really?
Yeah.
Well, you need to go around out in the pit area, you know, walk around.
Yeah, I might at some point.
There you go.
Is that the true race day experience?
Yeah, that's right.
Good to know.
I've been there a couple of times.
Nice.
Like 34 years.
Cool. Y'all coming up?
Yep. All the way. Oh, this one I just.
Yeah, that's the fun. You get to walk up one.
Yeah. Well, anyway, Flags Leap was just cool because the natural blah blah blah.
Yeah.
And there it was called Flags Leap, and all the corks said ribbit. Flags Leap, ribbit.
Right.
But they also were involved in this, and they had gotten so disgusted that their wine bottles are printed at the bottom, open onto the ramp. Just as a joke.
Sure thing.
For them, it was a joke.
Here is elevator A2 at the Speedway, the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Of course, another Gen 2 that only serves 4. Same as the other elevators I've ridden here. Nothing too special about it, it's just a Gen 2.
This elevator, right?
Going down?
That would be here.
If anything, I figure maybe turn the light.
That's what I
Because
said,
there's
the same thing.
a lot of people, yeah.
Yeah. I don't think the chance to go all the way down there to find out.
I gotta get a fresh one, go to the bathroom,
I
and
got
then
another
get
one.
there,
Yeah.
yeah.
I got a big cooler full of those, but yeah.
I didn't know you could bring cooler in today. Hmm? Yeah, the bigger one, right?
Yeah, it's like the, whatever, usual six,
Yeah.
hell, 6 comfortably.
That's all right.
Whatever, half an hour carry.
Yeah, lighten the load up a
I
little
used to
bit.
think, yeah, exactly.
All right, one more hour.
What floor y'all head to?
Top.
Sure thing. Sure thing. Here is elevator, I guess this one, pad 2 at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Certificate, I'll just get that right off the bat. 5,000 pound capacity. This thing's a little busy right now, so I'm kind of rushing this. But it's not that bad because it's just a Gen 2, LOL. Oh wow, never mind. Might get a non-stop trip. Yeah, once again, not a very exciting elevator. It's just a Gen 2, of course. 5,000 pounds, I think I already stated that. There's the certificate. Newer Series 2 fixtures. There goes a race car. I'm gonna go to 4 because I think my seats are up there. And that's it.
229.6. So 230.4, 229.7. Then a quicker lap 3, 229.8. And the final lap for Jack Harvey at 229.6. Not an issue with that Chevrolet power plant. Good news for that team. They diagnosed their issue, fired up the engine, everything's fine. Great work by Ed Carpenter Racing. Orchestrating changes that they need to have this way.
We're going to 4.
Sure thing. I think we got a full house.
No, hell, we had 5 more. But we'll take care of it.
Does anyone want 4?
No.
Okay. Just checking.
That's walking down. They can do that.
That's true.
He was the slowest thus far of the 4.
It's nudge moded. Sure thing. Yeah, might want to make it in. It's nudging.
Made it? Not annoying at all. You heard that, right? Your butt. Just bumped it.
There's like something flashing and red lights, and the guy's like, it's okay. I was like,
It's fine. It's fine. It's like a 1 in 3 chance.
I don't know if it is okay. You're just gonna go. You're not gonna check with anybody down there before you take us down into the bowels of Tennessee. Nope.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Sure thing.